Vanessa never leave me.
The beat check.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing well. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I made this Kim Kardashian wig using a 2x6 lace closure and some bone straight bundles. So as you can see, I already have my wig cap placed on the canvas head. So right now I'm going to place the closure on the wig cap, and as you can see what I'm doing, I brought it out a little bit to the front, like out of the cap, just a little bit. If you don't want your lace or the wig to look bulky at the front and you want it to look natural, you just have to bring it out a little bit. And I'm going to secure it using some pins. I no longer use the T-pins to secure my lace because sometimes the T-pins end up ripping the lace, so I just use this other type of pins, but I do use the T-pins to secure the wig cap. So you can see how it looks at the front. I did bleach the closure, of course, that's why it looks so natural. So I'm going to position the closure on the cap, making sure it's flat, and then I'm going to use more pins to secure it down.
Baby, you're burning, burning, burning. Should I comment on her Twitter? Should I tell her how I feel like? She's the woman for me, she's a queen and a demon. Vanessa can pro that, Vanessa roll and roll. Make you know ignore me, you see me standing close. I'm a OG, no they do me so. Oh, pretty girl, I wanna take you home. Baby, love me, love me, love me, love me.
So after securing the closure, I just took a hair tie and used it to tie up the hair on the closure so it doesn't interrupt when I'm sewing it down. So as you can see, I'm using needle and thread to sew down the closure before I go ahead and draw my guidelines.
Original Batman.
It's
Standard. She give me pon me hard, say she give me pon me hard. Fine girl, I come in on me hard, say she bounce pon the thing so. Whine it pon me thing so. Put the thing upon me thing, whine it pon me thing so. I say she whine it pon me hard. Man, I give it to her one time, say she want it one time. Whine it pon me hard. Man, I step in at the yard, make the girls them say I not bad man, I they want to say I. She not bad man, they want to fail. Say she give me pon me heart, say she give me pon me thing so. Whine it pon me girl, say she whine it pon me thing so. Move your body pon me thing and whine it pon me thing so. Come they sing so, whine it pon me thing so. I not bad man, I they want to say I. She not bad man, they want to fail.
Fire can't cool me, I'm on fire. But
Original Batman.
Nobody test me around dire.
African style, we hit the dance like Bob Marley, we start. You understand me, no made in Japan. We changing style with the girl, system warning. Alright, me a not gonna waste time. Me a stand in the city, me a can't in a baseline live.
After sewing down the closure, I went ahead and used a soft tape and a metallic pen to draw my 1-inch guidelines.
I mean a bad man, them want to fail. Say she give me pon me heart, say she give me pon me thing so. Whine it pon me girl, say she whine it pon me thing so. Move your body pon me thing and whine it pon me thing so. Come they sing so, whine it pon me thing so. I not bad man, I they want to say I. She not bad man, they want to fail.
Fire can't cool me, I'm on fire. Better than you, me a spitfire. Nobody test me around dire.
It's V-Kills.
Original Batman.
Standard.
feet kills.
Original, puffing on me high grade, sipping on me liquor. Girls them a come, them a want, them a take her. Bad man, me a come in, me a wanna take her. Girls them a come, them a want it on the liquor. I steady sipping on my liquor. Then I tell her me she give her never.
So guys, after drawing my guidelines, this is what it looks like. For this wig, I'll be using 3 bundles of bone straight hair in 18 inches, 20 inches and 22 inches with a 24 inches 2x6 closure. So because I'm using a 3 bundle for this wig and the length is already 22 inches long, as you can see, or as you know, the longer the hair, the more bundles you need. But it's a bone straight hair, you don't want it to be too full if you want it to look natural, like the Kim Kardashian hair that you want it to look natural like that. So you don't need too much hair for this particular wig. So I started with a single track so I can have enough hair to finish up the wig. I started with a single track. I think I did 3 lines using a single track before I went ahead and doubled the track. So for the placement of the track, for the placement of the length, I started with 18 inches and followed by 20, 22, and I have my 24 inches closure. I wanted the length of this hair to look like the same. I wanted it to look like a bob wig by the time I'm done. So that is why I added the shorter length at the bottom, if that makes sense.
Now you they mash up the place, enter the radar. Girl, you are what see me brain, the only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere I go, I wanna be. Girl, you feel like my fantasy. Let's have a good time, baby, I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good time, baby, I'ma make you sweat.
It's feet kills.
We finna have a good time, you know. Them bomb like them are watching. They are pretty about it.
My baby loves me right, good loving day and night. Yeah, they always did my side. Yeah, they make me feel alright. My baby loves me right, my baby they cool me down. Yeah, they always did my side. Yeah, they make me feel alright. Not only you, baby, I said not only you. Not only you did my mind, not only you get my time. Magic for you, I got the magic for you. Hey, you know, I got the package for you. I got the package for you. I got that honey, that honey, that honey, that honey. You need that honey, that honey, that honey. Honey, you be on my line for the honey. You be up all night for the honey. Take him on this ride for the honey. Hit me up, I got these. You be on my line for the honey. You be up all night for the honey. Take him on this ride for the honey. Hit me up, hey, you know, I got the magic for you. I got the magic for you. Hey, you know, I got the package for you. I got the package for you.
So this is what it looks like after sewing down the last track. As you can see, it looks so neat and professional. So guys, I'm going to go ahead and attach an elastic band, an adjustable elastic band, of course, because this wig is for a customer. So what I'm doing is I counted 4 lines from the closure downward. I counted 4 lines and I placed the elastic band on underneath the 4th line. Okay, I repeated the same thing on both sides in order for this wig to be secured. Okay, after that I went ahead and cut out the cap underneath the closure. So that's basically how I made this wig. So the wig is available on my website. This particular one I made for a customer, but if you want the same wig, you can order it on my website. I only accept pre-order for these types of wigs because I still have to be sure of the customer's cap size, their measurements, how they want their wig to look. So that's why it's only available as a pre-order. So that's basically it, guys. Check out the link in my bio, and thank you guys so much for watching. I can't wait to see you in my next video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I love you guys, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.
My baby loves me right. Good loving day and night. He they always did my side. He they make me feel alright. My baby loves me right. My baby, they cool me down. He they always did my side. He they make me feel alright. Not only you, baby, I said not only you. Not only you did my mind. Not only